and the next, it's pouring rain.
You did great.
Okay. I thought I almost let go of the bucket.
Hey, it's Justin at Tag Customs, and look at this, it's finally summertime. One of the best things about summertime and owning a Jeep is the ability to take the freedom panels off and enjoy the open air just like Jeep intended. The only issue is, we live in Vancouver. 1 minute it's sunny, and the next, it's pouring rain. So, let's get started, and I'm going to show you a really cool product.
You did great.
Okay. I thought I almost let go of the bucket.
How you feel, Justin?
It's actually pretty warm.
I tried.
So here we've got one of our freedom panels. It's a nice light fiberglass panel held on with a latch here and 3 little turn latches. We got one over the driver's and one over the passenger side, and they come off nice and easy. But one of the biggest issues with these things is how cumbersome they are. Now, Jeep does give you a bag right here. It's quite easy to put them inside the bag.
A few moments later.
All right, now we got the panels all packed away in this handy little bag here. But the big issue is, what are you gonna do with this thing?
I don't know.
Some people put it in the back seat, but that'll block your view. Some people put it in the bed of the truck, but then they bounce around. So what if you live in a condo? You have to cart these things up the stairs or take them in the elevator and leave them at home.
No! God, please, no!
And then of course, what happens if it starts to rain?
No! No!
I got a product for you, hang on 1 second.
A few moments later.
All right, in this box here, we've got the new Bestop Sunrider top. This is a soft panel that replaces the freedom panels and makes it quick and easy to open up and get that open air feel that all Jeeps are synonymous for. Let's get this thing unboxed and get it installed on the Jeep.
Let's go!
Here is the Bestop Sunrider top. Now this is actually the Mopar version of it. Identical to the Bestop one, but got a little tag over here. As you can see, authentic Jeep parts. So the really cool thing about this product, as I just noticed, is this is pre-assembled, as you can see here. If you were to buy a Bestop version, whole bunch of boxes and bags, you gotta actually assemble it. Not a big deal, but one of the perks of buying a Mopar product. So let's get this thing lifted onto the Jeep. I'll show you how easy it is to install.
Let's go! Hold up!
So for the install on this, you've literally got 6 bolts. 2 on each door and 2 in the back, and that is it.
Nice.
Break time! Be right back!
You got everything you need to get outfitted and roll in style right here at tagcustoms.com. I'm talking wheels, rims, tonneau covers, mud flaps, anything you need right here at tagcustoms.com. Your home for everything, parts, and accessories.
Whenever you're installing this stuff, it's fine to use a power tool to get everything up and installed, but we always recommend going through and using a hand tool, torquing it properly. You don't want to crack any of this plastic stuff. So let me grab a ratchet, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, Justin, what do you have in front of you here?
This is the last little retaining panel. It goes up in behind and it secures the rear part of the Sunrider top to the actual Jeep itself. All right. And as I said, Never use power tools when you're torquing stuff down. Make sure you always do it by hand with a ratchet. All right, last thing to do here is go and tack these last 2 bolts on either side. Make sure you get them torqued up nice and tight, but not too tight. All right, last thing we got to do inside here is take these 2 latches and latch them over the original piece right here. And there you have it. So, let's say you're driving down the street here and all of a sudden it starts to get sunny out and you're like, man, could you really use some fresh air? All you gotta do, pop down your visors, release, release, and push it back, and there you go, open air.
Fresh air, bruh.
And let's just say a big nasty rain cloud comes out and you gotta get covered up real quick before you get drenched. Grab it here, flip it back, and latch it down like so. Simple as that.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
It's giveaway time. We partner with our friends over at Bak-Flip to give away a Bak-Flip MX4, one of the best tonneau covers in the business, worth over $1,000. If you want to win this sick prize, just go to the link below and fill out all the different ways to enter. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, like our Instagram. The more entries you do, the more chances you have to win. We have more giveaways coming super soon, and as we grow, we want to give away bigger and better stuff. Stay subscribed, keep watching, and we'll do more.
All right, so you can see here, this is the Twill fabric. This is actually their premium fabric. This is waterproof, although I would probably take this thing off in the wintertime. For me, this is going to be coming off. The Freedom panels will be going back on. It'll just keep it looking nice and new and won't get any of that ugly road salt on there in the wintertime. Oh yeah! Okay, the Bestop Sunrider top is available for the Jeep Wrangler JK, the Jeep Wrangler JL, and the Jeep Gladiator JT.
All right, guys, we just got the install done of the new Sunrider. If you guys are interested in ordering one of these ones, just like Justin did, send us a message at info@tagcustoms.com and we'll get you outfitted with your very own Sunrider top for summer. Justin, how much do you recommend this product?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Let's go.